Hey hunties, it's your girl Latoya Forever back at it with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you my new technique on how I apply my lashes. Okay, so I partnered with Kiss and I'll be showing you how to falscara. So basically, if you know how to put on mascara, you're gonna know how to put on falscara. I've been putting on falscara every single day. It's easier than putting on mascara. It looks natural. You know, if you guys have been following me on my social media, you know that I used to be big on applying the falsies, like the individual lashes, and going to get them done almost every 2 weeks. And honestly, you guys, it ruined my lashes. Okay, so I decided to give that a break. I did strips for a few months, and then Kiss reached out to me. They were like, Latoya, we want you to try our falscara. And I'm like, you know what, let me go ahead and try, you know what I'm saying? And the first day I tried to put these on, it was so easy, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to apply. Like I said, if you can put mascara on, you can put falscara on. Okay, so this is the starter kit, and it says falscara, the new way to lash. All right, and what it comes with is the Bond and Seal glue. It comes with wispies, and it comes with the applicator. All right, so here it is right here. It has the instructions on how to apply your falscara right on the back. Okay, they also sent me some more falscara styles. So I have the lifting wispies, I have the volumizing wispies, and I also have the lengthening wispies. And on every single pack, it tells you exactly how to apply, and it's so easy, you guys. When I show you how to apply, you're gonna be like, what? And it looks so natural, and it's not clumpy like mascara. Okay, it doesn't damage your lashes. And you know how you remove mascara at the end of the night and you're like wiping it off and it gets all over your under eyes and it's just a hot mess and you're pulling your skin and you're ruining your eyes and you're getting wrinkles? It's not like that. Okay, you guys, so let me go ahead and show you guys how your girl falscaras. All right, let's get it. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to open up my starter kit and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to apply these wispies. Okay, literally all you do is apply bonding glue, your wispies underneath your natural eyelashes, and then seal it. Okay, and in the starter kit, it comes with, let me open it up. Yo, girl, so excited. It comes with the applicator, and then it also comes with the bonding glue, and it has biotin in it, which promotes hair growth. And then it also comes with the seal, and it has vitamin E in it. Okay, you're gonna need that to apply your wispies. And then your wispies. Okay, what you're gonna do first is open up the bonding glue, and then you're just gonna apply it to your lashes. Okay, that's gonna hold your wispies into place. Okay, close that up. Then you're gonna take your applicator, and what I like to do is I like to apply the middle first and then work my way outward. Okay, it's easy for me, but you can use whatever technique you like, whatever feels most comfortable to you. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my applicator. I'm gonna take the middle wispy. I'm going to get up close and personal with my mirror, and then I'm just gonna apply it underneath my natural lash. Okay, so easy. Then I'm gonna take the next wispy, apply. So easy, it's just so easy. Take the outer wispy, apply. All right, and take the inner. Apply just like that. I have one left on this side. I don't need that. It's just extra for tomorrow. Then I'm gonna move the mirror on this side. And then I'm just gonna apply the rest of my lashes. Okay, y'all, so I brushed on the bond, I applied my wispies underneath my natural eyelashes, and now I'm going to apply the seal just to lock it in place so it lasts all day, okay? Okay, y'all, so this is my final look. How natural do my lashes look? So bomb, so easy to apply. All you do is add your bonding glue, then you're gonna add the wispies underneath your lash line, and then you're gonna seal it so it can last all day. Natural slay, you feel me with my kiss lashes, okay? And you can't feel them at all. You know when you like close your eyes and you can feel lashes sometimes? Well, I don't have that feeling. Okay, you guys, so you can get these lashes from selective stores like CVS, Walmart, Walgreens, KissUSA.com. Adam, you like my lashes?
Yeah, but we need to go. I love them, yeah, but I'm pretty certain I could have done this faster than you did. You could, so.
Really?
Okay, maybe I shot myself in the foot, but like.
Okay, so come. I bet you could. Come.
I'm good, love. Enjoy.
Show me, love. Enjoy these lashes. Come here.
No.
Okay, go get a chair.
Why? We gotta
Go get, yo, it would be so funny if he puts these lashes on. Okay, come. Come, I have another starter kit for you. For real, you gonna do it?
What happens? I don't get it. Why do I need to put lashes on?
I'm gonna time you because you said that you think that you could have probably put it on faster than me.
Yeah, we're gonna miss this movie.
Come on, just do it real quick. So what did you just say off camera? Let them know.
Not that I want to.
Yeah.
But if I wanted to, I'm pretty sure I could have done this faster than you so we could get to the movies. We're gonna miss the movie.
We're not gonna miss the movies. The movie is in an hour and a half. We're good.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Anyways, okay, so he's challenging me, right? So I have another starter kit that I'm gonna give you. Here's a starter kit. I'm gonna open it up for you. There you are. Next thing, I'm gonna go ahead and remove my lashes right now because since he wants to race me,
No, I'm not racing.
this is gonna be a race to see who can put their lashes on faster.
Anyhow, well, tell me.
I'm challenging you right now.
All right, what are the
And the winner, what do they get?
You can pay for the movie and the movie and.
Okay, so the winner will, the loser will pay for the
Yes.
dinner and the movie.
Yeah.
Okay? My stomach is growling right now, and so is my bank account. So therefore, we're not gonna use my bank account. I'm gonna go ahead and win this real quick. All right, so this is a remover right here. It's the false scare remover. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my lashes real quick so I can race my hubby because he's over there making jokes like he can beat me putting on this false scare, okay? This is your applicator, okay? Let me show you how to do it first.
Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna take the bonding glue, okay? You're gonna put it on your lashes, okay? Then after that, you're gonna take the applicator and you're gonna apply the wispies, AKA the lashes, underneath your natural eyelash, okay? So underneath. And after you apply all of them, okay, you're gonna take the seal just to make it last all day so you can seal it into place.
I'm gonna skip that part, but yeah. Okay.
Why would you skip the part?
I don't need to keep that on all day. Nice one. I just want to show you how fast I'm gonna do this, and we out of here.
Okay, y'all ready? All right, loser pays for dinner in the movie. Okay, let me go remove my lashes real quick.
And we're off to the races.
Adam, hold. Oh my gosh. Really, Adam?
Bond first, right?
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Let me see your eyelashes.
Okay, I messed this one. I better fix this
You
one.
think so? Ah! Why do these lashes look so good on you though? Do do do. Oh my gosh, look at your lashes. It's so funny. I thought you said that you can lash faster than me.
You really don't want to pay for dinner. I can't even go anywhere. I can't even start. You're like hogging the whole thing.
Adam, you're hogging the mirror. You're hogging the mirror. Eye is complete.
Once you got the precision though,
Bonding glue.
I'm pretty sure it'll look fire. It's all about precision. It's my first time doing this.
This is my last one, you guys.
You're just hogging the whole thing.
Done. Oh my gosh, let me see. Let me see. Oh my gosh, that lash looks so good. I like it. Oh my gosh, you look good with mascara. Look at me. How cute does he look, you guys? Comment below.
Sure, if I had some practice or have done this before, you know.
But you actually did good to like put on falsies for the first time. It looks so good. But anyways, I won the challenge. I could falscara faster than you. So therefore, you're paying for dinner. Thank you very much. And guess what? We should challenge other YouTubers to do...
You know, that's a good idea because I don't want to be the only one.
Oh my gosh. So I'm going to challenge Tiffany from the Daily Davidsons. And I'm also gonna challenge, who else should I challenge? Oh my god. Okay, and then I'm gonna challenge Aaliyah J. So basically what the challenge is how fast can you lash? Okay? Can you lash faster than your significant other? For the first time. It has to be the first time that you're applying falscara, okay? So anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. Babe, you did a good job. Mwah. Thank you so much, Kiss, for sponsoring today's video. I had so much fun challenging my hubby.
I feel weird because I go by Adam Won't Lose and I feel like I caught a real big L, so.
A big L?
Yeah.
Your lashes look so good, babe. Go like this and blink. Thanks for watching, y'all.
I don't even know how to blink fast. Forget about even putting mascara on.
See you next week. Love you.
Falscara.
Bye.